Okay, so we will be making a network system for a CRM company on the cloud. We will be using Amazon Web Services, and here are the two instances I have. I have running SSH with PUTTY, and first of all, we'll be testing out the web server Apache 2 if it's running or not on the server. So you can see that it's running, active and running, and you can also access it. This is the first server, and in the next bit I'll be showing you the SSH with the Apache 2 server. Now we can go ahead and test if the SSH secure shell is running on the Apache 2 server. As you can see, it's up and running, active. Alright, next we can start with the load balancing of the two servers I have created. These two. Alright, this is my load balancer I've created, and here we're using the DNS name server provider to access the page, and we can see we can switch between the two servers. Alright, in this part we'll be testing out the SFTP server if it's running or not properly. Here we'll be connecting to the server using the D file. You can see we are connected to the directory, and we can easily move, or we can move some files. Now we'll be moving the simple file from my home directory, from my home local computer to the server. And as you can see that the transfer was successful and the file is there. Okay, in this bit we'll be testing out the database if it's working or not by just going to the SQL and retrieving some databases. And as we can see, we have like 6 databases. One of them is the Suite CRM database, and it's working successfully. In this part, we can check if there's PHP installed in the system. Checking by checking its version. The version is 7.2.19, and it's installed on June 4th. Okay, so in this one, we will be checking if how many interfaces are there and their IP addresses along with their MAC addresses, so that we will know if there are any hidden interfaces which need to be removed. And as you can see, there are 3 of total interfaces. You can see one of them is web server, SFTP server, and the database server. Okay, so in this part we'll be using Nmap to check the active ports, and as we can see, we have 3 active ports running SSH server connection, HTTP, and HTTPS for the Apache 2 server. And as we can see, we don't have any other unnecessary ports open, and there are 97 ports closed for security reasons. And now I'll be showing you the CRM I've installed inside the server. This is the CRM dashboard for the admin user, and we have other users such as the system project manager. We can view its profile, email, and contact information along with their activities and other history work, etc., etc. You can do everything from here, and that pretty much wraps everything up for this entire CRM system. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing you the entire network topology of the system I have created. We have designed the entire network system with security being the top priority. Reason being is that a good business continuity plan requires security monitoring to prevent most of the threats which can come to such a system and cause the company to lose revenue. The system was designed with the most secure cryptographic keys and protection protocol for data to travel from internet staff through to the extranet customers. As seen in this diagram, there are duplicate servers 1 and 2. X1 is the instance there, and they are duplicate of each other. They are duplicate servers, and the instances mirror each other to support traffic management such as load balancing. This helps multiple users to access the server when the traffic is too high. This is very effective for efficient server to client connections because the 2 servers can balance the traffic load. Moreover, we have used security protocols to form a server client connection such as SFTP, HTTPS, SSH, and we have used some tools like Nagios to monitor the network traffic incoming and outgoing. And that is the end of this entire system we have created for the CRM company.